Love. Unconditional, endless, and kind. Love conquers all. Oh wow, such a wonderful, beautiful gift from our great God of love. And now, you too shall have this love. You will take your firstborn son. I am a jealous God. You will take your firstborn son. You will take his life. This is a sacrifice. This is an act of love for your great God of love. Prove yourself. Prove your love. And you shall have this love. Kill, kill, kill. Death, death, death. Blood, blood, blood. Take the love of your firstborn son, and you are now worthy of my love. Don't worry. I'm joking. Take the life of this innocent, divine animal of existence and creation instead. Take the life of this animal instead. Prove your love to your great God of love. Blood, blood, blood. Death, death, death. Kill, kill, kill. It's a sacrifice. It's a great act of love. The greatest act for my great God of love. It's a gift of love, but you will prove yourself. I'm a jealous God. Death, death, death. Blood, blood, blood. Kill, kill, kill. And you will have my love. Oh, holy, holy parrot, saved and wise and proud. I also proud. The last 2,000 years, billions and billions of innocent deaths, women and children raped, tortured, and burned alive, billions of innocent animals slaughtered and killed. All these great acts of love for our great God of love. How proud I am. Now on my return, you too now, worthy of love. You have proven yourself. Kill, 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 death, death, death. Blood, blood, blood. Your firstborn son. Innocent animals of existence and creation. Love is endless. Love is free. Love is kind. But first, prove yourself. To your great God. I'm a jealous God. Look at the stinky dead corpse hanging there in his stinky dead tree. This great sacrifice, this act of love. I've already proven myself to you. Tortured and killed, hanging there still. Innocent children cry when they see this corpse, not yet brainwashed. They can still feel the truth. They can still feel something here. Smells like a dead corpse. Blood and death. Demonic, Luciferian acts and rituals of blood and death for 2,000 years, apparently. All in the name of love. Look at the stinky dead corpse hanging there. Eat the flesh of this dead corpse and drink the blood of this dead corpse. Prove yourself. Prove your love to your great God of love. The innocent, he who stands in the light, he who stands in the truth, integrity, dignity, respect, and honor. The innocent, he who takes responsibility for his beingness, shall perform this great act of love. For the guilty, the liar and the coward, the ignorant, the arrogant, the selfish, the greedy, the hateful and the lustful, those living in suffering from fear, the innocent will pay the price. It's a great act of love to save the guilty. He of truth will pay the price for he who lies. What a beautiful message. What a beautiful, beautiful message of love. Kill, kill, kill. Death, death, death. Blood, blood, blood. Demonic, Luciferian, rituals and acts of blood magic. Like a cake, disguised with sugar. And all that's needed is beautiful, pretty, shiny, holy words. Do not think, do not use common sense. Do not be innocent like a child who can feel and smell the smell of death. No, do not think. Your great God of love works in mysterious ways. Billions and billions of innocent lives, slaughtered, raped, tortured, killed, burned alive. Billions and billions of innocent animals, divine animals of existence and creation, burned, slaughtered, and killed. I too have now proven myself. I too am now worthy of love, all my great acts of love for my great God of love. Death, death, death. Kill, kill, kill. Blood, blood, blood.